Good morning, students. This video is for 9th class students, chapter 3rd, coordinate geometry. What do you mean by coordinate geometry? Now, to understand the coordinate geometry, we have to understand some points. First point is coordinate system. Coordinate system is used for describing the position of point in a plane with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines. Is called Cartesian rectangular coordinate system. कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम हमें किसी पॉइंट की पोजीशन को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यूज करती हैं whenever two lines are perpendicular on the plane in a plane. This is said to be Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system. Now, the second point is coordinate axis. These two mutually perpendicular lines are said to be axis. Now, the horizontal line is said to be x-axis and the vertical line is said to be a y-axis. When these two lines, one is horizontal, other is vertical, these two lines are taken together, then we said this coordinate axis. Now, third point is origin. When these two lines are taken together, both will be intersect at some point. When these two lines will be intersect at a point, the point of intersection is said to be a origin. Now, at origin, always point of x and point of y is 0, 0. Means coordinate of x-axis and coordinate of y-axis is 0. We will understand the coordinate. We will understand the word coordinate. Firstly, coordinate of point means when a point, suppose a point A, whose coordinates, first coordinate is always written right as x-axis, second is always right as y-axis, point on y-axis. This is said to be coordinate of A, be a point in a plane. X means distance of point from y-axis, y means distance of point from x-axis. We will always write point as coordinate as this form. Firstly, we will write the point of point on x-axis, then we will write the point on y-axis. Then these points are taken together. This is said to be a coordinate of a point like A. Coordinate of A is x and y. Now, when the coordinate of point is 0, 0, then it is said to be a origin. Means x, value of x is also 0, y is also 0. Now, last topic is quadrant. Quadrant means when two lines are intersect. One is horizontal, other is vertically. The intersection point is called origin. When two lines intersect into four regions, each region is said to be a quadrant because lines will be divide the plane into four parts. Each part is said to be a quadrant. Now, these points will be understood by this diagram. Now, this line is said to be a horizontal line and this is said to be a vertical line. We know that horizontal line is said to be x-axis, so that's why I write here x dash, and vertical line is said to be a y-axis, so we will write here y dash. Now, then this all figure is said to be a coordinate system, and these axis is said to be a coordinate axis, and also horizontal line is said to be x-axis, vertical line is said to be a y-axis. Another question is when both lines intersect at a point. This is a point where both lines are intersected. This is said to be a origin. Origin means point of x is 0 or point of y-axis is also 0. Here both values of x and y is 0. This is said to be a origin. So that's why I write here O. O means origin. Now, when both lines are intersected, there are four reasons. One This is first, this is second reason, this is third, this is fourth reason. ये 4 reasons is said to be a quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Now in each quadrant there are different signs for x and y. Now in first quadrant, to understand the signs, firstly we will understand number line. In all of students now about the number line. In number lines, when we draw the number line, left hand side is negative or right hand side is always taken as positive. So this axis is positive, this axis is a negative. So there is all values of x are positive. So x values of x is positive. First point is always write as x. The value of x is positive. Now similarly in y axis, above values from the origin is taken as positive values. Below values from the origin is taken as negative values. So in first quadrant बेटे हमारे पास जो x एक्सिस आ रही है, x एक्सिस के पॉइंट आ रहे हैं राइट साइड वाले आ रहे हैं और y एक्सिस के पॉइंट कौन से आ रहे हैं, अबव फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. सो बोथ values of x and y should be a positive. So when both values are positive, x is also positive, y is also positive, then means both values lie in the first quadrant. Now similarly in second quadrant there is a left side of x axis. So left side number line, in number line left side values are always negative. So x is negative, y is above from the origin, so y is taken as positive. So x value of x is negative and y is positive when these values are lie in second quadrant. Now similarly in third quadrant is this. Here the portion of x is left side and portion of y is below from the origin, means both are negative. This is also value, these values are also negative, these values are also negative. In third quadrant these are coming, so both x is negative and y is also negative. When both values are negative means the coordinates lie in third quadrant. Similarly in fourth quadrant, let us see, x portion of x is from right side, these are positive values, and portion of y is below from the origin, means this is taken as negative value. So always take first as x value, x is positive, y is negative. So when first value is positive, second value is negative, means these coordinates lie in fourth quadrant. Now convention of these signs, in first quadrant both values are positive, so x is also greater than 0, y is also greater than 0. Positive means values greater than 0. In second quadrant x is negative means x less than 0, y is positive, y is greater than 0. In third quadrant both values are negative means both values should be less than 0, x is also less than 0, y is also less than 0. In fourth quadrant x is positive means x greater than 0, negative means y less than 0.